This is more than a missing person story. It's a call for unity, compassion, and justice.
To lead the case soon, so them try to attack me. Why them not put a real somebody for them put it on and watch a people? Let me see. I see people a one video alone people. One video alone upon that channel here. For sure say that channel here people is an attack channel. That's why the name Original Sound. Them name Original Sound people. Original Sound them name people. One video alone them for them channel. Them can't check with. So why them want to get me up for the case people? Cause them know something that take disrespect, you know. I may have, you know, so I have to make people people see that? One single video upon the channel people. One single video, so like you can't go and go so you go run with nobody. And see that people
need to go back to the planet where him come from and left ya so.
One video.
And the earth him come from. We are praised by some miracle. Jayden Smith will come home alive. And this man all over the internet with him nonsense. Me I look for update and see this man as summon ancestors.
Them I look for update and see me as summon ancestors. At least I'm glad to say them. At least I'm glad to see me as summon ancestors. No. Everybody on the planet knows that when me summon ancestors are a normal thing. People, let me tell you something. Ask any old people. Them say if you want to hear a man talk the truth, give him rum for drink him. Them say if you want to hear somebody talk the truth, give them rum. Rum is a thing when they drink rum, people, you can't tell no lie. So yes, when you see me drink rum with the ancestors and people, I know me talk again. All truth, nothing but the truth. Ask anybody. Jayden Smith is not here with us, people. The smoke turned black if him was alive. The smoke turned white if him is not here. Remember the people ask anybody want to know. Let me see if I find one of the science.
And Jayden.
Jayden. Alright, people.
Them love me. I have 3 relationships and I try to get.
Lawless at Jayden Smith is home.
Jayden Smith is confirmed dead. So Jayden Smith, how they do my son? Yeah, the things that move up in the people. I say nobody not in there. So who fear move the thing? Alright people, that again. Only go watch what the video people are here when the buckle them in there broke. No. One big empty ancestral tomb with some dope in there, some bone in the people. So when they rock up the back of them, I have a mongoose. People, listen again.
Lawless at Jayden Smith is home.
Jayden Smith is confirmed dead. So Jayden Smith, how they do my son? Yeah, the things that move up in the people. I say nobody not in there. Alright people. Oh no, look and see if nobody in there. Look the people. Look right through there. And the ancestors and people and make sure say what we pay them is the right thing. So why don't I go say no, me a devil, me a wicked people. When the Roman Catholic them put on them mask and them slaughter people, them not say them are wicked. But when time me use the magic from Nani of the maroon them. Me come with the magic them people from Kwafe, from our ancestors them people, from Bookman people. I'm using my ancestral gift for me get what me gonna do. Get it and show me get it. For please, uno look at dirty people. For please, uno look at ignorant people. You must be mad. Me use it. No. If it wasn't for these ancestral gift that I was reincarnated with people, you see that?
Lawless at Jayden Smith is home.
Oh, listen. Jayden Smith is confirmed dead. So, Jayden Smith, how they do my son? Yeah, the things that move up in the people. I say nobody not in there. So who fear move the thing? Alright. Look how far me there from the grave people. Look how far me there from the tomb them. And you hear the buckle them rattling, they broke up. Because the ancestors them come for them peer. They go what now? So me already know, so them go come cross. So from me drink the rum, they go jump in and me come tell me what to tell me. Enough man do that and dump your box them down. And anybody can do what me do. The people. It's not anybody can do what me do people. Enough man try not to get box down. That's why when some science man, when they charge your money, you know, them charge a whole heap of money because them know say dump you can box them down. So enough science man, what me do? Them not take the chance. Enough science man not take the chance of people. So me put my life on the line, people. Come remember the people. If something go wrong, there's other people. And what the spirit them come for them pay them not say. Me not trouble, you know. Me in a trouble so people. Hold on there. Let's say a bad science man, you know. See my car is. Hold on there. Me call a science man since you not call me. How this Father Cardo?
Yes, we are dealing with General.
Sorry, me TikTok and my Facebook show.
Me watch you.
Alright, thank you, my lad. But
some believe in you, but some don't believe in you. Me know say you work already, because me know man where you work on. I want work, so work when you send, come give me.
Alright, well on man, people, there's a science man, listen up. But when me have too much work, I send him go give me. When him have too much work, I send him come give me. That's how we do our thing, people. Now, Father Cardo.
Yes, sir.
How long you do spiritual work now?
29 years, you know.
29 years, and them man having money, people. Now, what can happen if me go for invoke a spirit and me not do it the right way? What can happen? Tell the people. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Tell the people what can go wrong if we go for invoke a spirit and me not do the thing the right way. Or pay the spirit them the right way. What can happen to me?
You are going to problem.
Oh.
I told you not to be problem, you do the right thing. Remember you're straight in a man.
Alright. So,
remember this is that thing, if you do the right thing, you're not bringing a problem. So we have to do the right thing, because we not do foolishness. I got sister, you know.
Alright. So we have to God work or we have the devil work?
Yeah, we can do two of them.
Alright, thank you. Because we can do any work.
Yeah, two of them.
You understand? So now, these spirits will get blessed with. Now the ancestors, them spirits will get blessed with.
They not have to be him. We get it from him, you know. Because without him, remember, we can't work. I pause, we get it over, we have to work with him.
Thank you, sir.
Me I watch you.
Alright, boss, thank you. I just want to answer them questions there. Thank you.
Yes, man. Probably I'm not here from you, man. Good do.
Yeah, man. Should be up on Jayden Smith case, sir.
Yes, me I watch you. Where you say right, man? Because that's my job too.
Hold on there. I know why you tell a lie for me. How much time some big police and some big politician come check with for help them to solve certain case?
I'm crying I water when they get through.
Thank you.
Now when you tell me right thing, but look where you go for one up a man over there.
Alright, thank you this again.
You go for him, man. You go for him, man. A real thing, man. Who don't want to believe, don't believe.
Thank you.
But when they need a problem, they're going to go on you. That time you're going to tell them, so no, you're not going to work with them.
Alright. Because a whole heap of people come check me and tell them, say, no, I'm not work with you because you used to take me for that. So anyway, people, thank you. Thank you, Father Cardo. People, them man are top spiritual man, and them man have come to me more time when certain things so big for him. But him bad.
Hello?
Greetings, Queen. Yeah, greetings, family.
Night, I'm here now, so I got a situation with one of my cousins. I see your number on TikTok.
Yes.
I'm going to take it down and text you.
Yes.
But my cousin, can I make you speak to your mother?
Yeah, I'm speak to the mother.
Hello?
Yes, Queen.
Good night.
Yes.
Well, actually, we don't really know what happened to my son because he just stopped at school
smoking, the drink, he not eat. After sudden just not eating, just a pine way, a good one. They talk be a foolishness. He don't all go out in the road when they're ready and find him in a bush and burn up in clothes them. He do all kind of something.
Alright, how much you will now?
15 and he not even want to eat. Just weed and...
Alright, you are going now. What happened to him now? He made a smoke a bad spliff, them give a bad spliff. You understand? And then when they give a bad spliff now, wild spirit jump in him. So what am I gonna do now? He must start laugh to himself more time. He must start talk one bag of sit and he must sleep all over the place. And what am I gonna do now? He must gonna name, some of the time he must gonna name down the place, but most of the time he not name none at all.
Yes, same way go sir, same way.
So what happened to him now, when me clear them thing all the while? What happened now? The boy them give him a bad spliff. And you swear they get a bad spliff now. And your body and your head can't angle it. Him chakras open up, you know. So when him chakras open up now, him start talk to himself. So I look straight up here there, I look straight spirit there, invoke him.
Okay.
So you have to have somebody now who know how to get the spirit back out time. Without that now, he will all 200 years he will walk up and with a spirit there. And after a while, him not going to do himself because the spirit will get, him body will get so used to carry that spirit there. The spirit will take over for him, spirit.
Empire.
Yes.
Excuse me, every time because you say he eat, I told somebody I eat with him.
So
right now in the acid tal, every time I go to me talk to me all one thing in the
yeah.
Me see upon TikTok and I ask if you can give me a help, please. Can he look like every time he eat him bone?
Yes,
every
man.
time he eat, he used to appear time and appear green so in his food and blood.
Alright, thank you. God the spirit invoke him body. Yes, son. So him got an exorcism right one name. So it's a thing what I can do, but me charge for do it because at the end of the day, the spirit might not want to left him and the spirit will fight.
Okay, so how much you charge?
With that now, me have to come see him first. I would have to send a video, take a picture with him eye. Make him looking at the camera. From see him eye, me will know what kind of spirit.
Okay, so I'm going to text you up WhatsApp.
Yes, because modern technology now, so I have to come see him personally. For you take a picture of him face, make him talk to you. You understand?
Alright.
Yes.
But talk to your mother. Finish talk to your mother.
But like when in the hospital now, how we go get fee?
You go visit him, auntie, and when you go visit him, which parish him there?
Mobile with it.
Alright, boy, I'm a charge dear for traveling the moment, I'm not going to tell you, but you go on. I feel the pride of her mother, so you go on now. Take the picture, send, come give me, take the picture and face, just go in at the hospital to go visit him tomorrow. Take the picture. Are you aware though? When you go down there, carry some salt. Yeah?
Yes, sir, may I hear you?
Me know where you carry the salt to me, tell us if you carry it, you know. Just go up on YouTube when you're done and type in what is the spiritual benefits of salt. Spiritual benefits or purpose.
Okay.
Yeah, I love blood clot. You're not going to fool him down, so. Nobody throw on their mattress. Because if you throw it on their mattress, he probably jump around and jump through the window. That's why nobody. Try give some salt water for drink.
Okay.
Yes, try give it. If him don't want it, don't force it upon him. But mix some salt water and give him for drink. He will go vomit out some blood clot out of his body. It's not going to help him too long, you know, but it's going to help him look a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me know why you give me to me tell if you do it. Just Google or go up on YouTube and type in what is the spiritual benefits of salt. Most of sea salt. You the same salt you buy in the shop.
Okay, sir.
But take the picture, auntie. But everything what I tell you, say, don't that same say it happen to him?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. yes, I said when they go on.
But before you go anti, come in on my show, because for them people what about a pay for come on. Do I know you from nowhere?
No.
Alright, because them what a pay for come on my show.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
So when time I reach home, go jump back on your live.
Yes.
And talk.
Alright. Yeah, just call me and tell my son. Big up myself. Yeah, people, I think that what I do regular. Same thing I'm telling people. Just when they drink the rum, but when they go smoke certain weed, people, certain weed too strong for you. It woke me up a pine. Weed is a thing that woke me up a chakra and the pineal glands them. So just when the pineal glands are your chakra open, people, certain spirit what them say your body weak, them jump in you. That's why Jayden Smith now, people. He was a baby dopey, so him now can't find back his body. Because he should have look at you and look, so him can't angle him body yet. So spirit invoke you when they look up in it. Them can't take over your body in your for years, months, 20 years, 30 years. You just walk and then you pay things and talk to yourself. And are you on the dopey? I the talk with you. I regular fix people. I go fix a girl up at Glendevon the other day. 18-year-old. Same thing, she and her friend go smoke weed. And they put a coke in it. They look at rich girl, they tell about the people, but her friend them bad, are some bad girl. Put coke in it, but she had it for the first. Up her head people and up her aura. And the dopey them just jump in her. Two dopey jump in her, a man one and a woman one. Over there, man, and the quickest, about 18,000 I used to charge her mother. 2 days up on that to fix her people. War in the house. When I tell about float your float, the mother run out of the house like thief. Yeah, they could get a float of people. They get a float people. Yeah, man, they fly go Antigua again, go do one, man. Private jet, me fly up on, man. I pay rich people more for people. So what me do yesterday, people, was a normal thing, people. You know, see, me could have tell us, say, the dope you got turn a human being now. And you see him turn animal people on the corner, because he come for the rum. A Sunday people, a Sunday dope you want rum. When a spirit want rum on a Monday or Tuesday, but a Sunday, them skin scratch them, your white name, rum name spirit. Yes, people, if you can't prove some lie, me tell, man. Tell me, sir, prove some lie, me tell. People, what you believe? Remember, you know, when you see a science man want a yacht, when you see a science man want much big vehicle, big much thing, but you can't call a science man to eat that. All, remember, you know, people, see, they do the AI thing and forget me if you come on for the case. Because you don't know, say, me is a man to take this. So, people, if you don't stay upon the case, let me know. If I come out for the case, people just tell me because I only may work with people. I only may work with. So, should I come out for the Jayden Smith case, people, or should I stay on it? I only may work with. I see it, people. Me the other ends and now, people. But you ring them now, burn me at people. Every ring and burn my people. Then now, I move same time. See, come some look bike man pass the square. And them circle back. Because me as a man, I make everybody eat food. Because see that, I call the boy call me back people and then I go tell me, say, yeah, them still there. I say, them thing, I tell them thing, I go through people. Sometimes I go up on ends and I get the good news. Sometimes I go up on ends and nothing come in people. Sometimes some prank call. But I have to go because the mother need closure, people. You, the people, need to find out where the body there. The body may hunt for other people. I'm not trying to find out if him dead, you know. I didn't look a boy body may search now. Where the taxi man there? That the taxi man. Where the driver that drive the car? Anybody can tell me where the driver is. Me go no $1 million. See people, money me give out of my own pocket. I'm going to get the gift on TikTok. I'm not get the gift on Facebook. So, I'm the other people risk my life. And I see some other people want to say a politician now come out here. Where is the Jamaican Prime Minister, people? Where is the Jamaican Prime Minister? A young boy, I look a baby dead, I look a genius get take away. And not even the Prime Minister come out and make a speech. The speech of the Prime Minister come out and make a say, if I'm going to put robot for get rid of police. That the speech of the Prime Minister come out, you know. If I'm going to put robot for get rid of good police them. The Prime Minister come out and say, if I'm going to do some new thing to make people lose them job. And put robot for start do people job. Where is the Commissioner of Police? Big up me era one police what say boy Emperor stay up on the case. Where is the Minister of Security? Where is the pastor them? Where is the church leaders them? Where is the people where say God? I look a baby get snatched away. I promised the people when I say look a boy I cry more cry water. Look a boy just simple. The people them say they look a boy and make no trouble. They look a youth no people, they look a youth not get no trouble, they look a youth not even make nice. They look a youth well educated. People, you know what it is if you look a boy you know people and cause people must say me get only for picking you know. People tap out the screen up, tap out the screen people, no tap out the screen. Like and share the show people, tap out the screen, please and thanks. Yes, and tap the screen people, tap the screen. More go up in the ring, see the people, not even tap the people, tap the screen. People may beg, please, somebody give me a wheel, somebody give me a wheel. Not even a lion would I get. Yes, me tell the people, you people that better find something made you know right now for violate people. When I get 20 lion already and 50 tiger. They want a whale one would I get. Thank you for the art, my friend. Thank you. Yeah man. People. Now for sure say other people that want nothing good. Now we say people get to the Nyanke Pong maroon documents. And you know so when we give the Nyanke Pong maroon documents people, I believe say Sita, the people give me a church book people, they give me a book people today. Yeah, I know, I'm not going to read a book for now, but we'll just take it somewhere. And then we got the people them. Where the people them, Sita. Now, when we bring out the Nyanke Pong maroon documents them, I believe say the whole of the ghetto people them and the whole of the inner city people them, and most uptown people and society people take the care of them people. See them here? I forgot drop off the money in the people. See that tomorrow early I forgot drop them off. Because I should drop them off to the people. See me have them in my pocket. Different people on them. Now, them Nyanke Pong maroon documents of people, you don't pay tax, you want to own a land. Because none of you have one land in the people. If you can't tell me who has one land, me go $1 million. The whole of you have to pay tax. So when you have them sovereign documents of people, you don't pay tax. So I want all of my nurses, my doctor, my police, my risk of life, my military them, and then me want they get them a fast, you know, because they won't say I'm not coming out here risk my life. Because only normal people don't want them. Only not gonna know themselves and turn the back against the wall. These are depopulation time now people. So the real alright, let me tell you something. You see them people you know, where you put that get together the march. The reason why the people put together the march, because them know what's coming. Remember you know these millionaire people know what's coming. Because I pay them take a look at them nowadays and take out the woman them. The people them know. So that's why the people them try to stop it. And remember you know people. And most of poor people pit them and take away. But true, them boy nowadays no matter who for pit them and take away. The people them say, hey, we don't want our people get pit they get take away too. One and two of them pit they get snapped in the people between me and because we may talk you know. One and two of them pit they get snapped. But in the company news like how you say Jayden one company news. So some of the victims them there will lose them pitney already people. And can't find them pitney. Yes, in the ex-Jamaica people. But 98% of the pitney them will get taken away every year people down here. A poor people pitney. But the poor people them do business. And that it look like because people see that and mostly foreigners are calling up. I'm going to go up on my thing and accept some people on the platform.